What's up, guys? So as you guys saw from the last vlog, I have moved all the shoes out of that room, and now that it's clear, I can put all of the fabric in there and it's gonna lay like a nice rainbow of colors. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is what we have thus far. We have gray going into the white, going into the pink, going into the purple, going into the reds, going into the orange, yellow, and this is where we leave off. Let me show you guys what's left. So left we have brown, as you can see here, blue, and green. We're so close, guys. We're so close. So as you guys can see from what I just showed you, we are so close to being almost done. And so yes, you guys will come along with me to finish up those last three colors: brown, green, and blue. Let's get started. All of the types of browns were everywhere. So I decided to start by pulling out each one and figuring out, okay, is this rolled, was this folded, and then separating according to how it lays, then separating again for the shade, because we want to move from dark to light. So as you can see, like, this is a rolled one, these are folded ones, and yeah, so here I am just continuously pulling them out and organizing them. Super fast mode. While pulling out these fabrics, I was very intrigued on the different kinds that there were. As you can see, there's different textures and prints. So I tried to organize it according to that as well. Don't get me started on the lighting in these situations. One of the main reasons why we are transferring this fabric into the new fabric room. Let's scoot it on over to the new fabric room and restack the shelves with the other colors. All right, there you have it. All the brown is stocked into the fabric room. Let's move on to blue and green. Round of applause, everybody. We did it, y'all. We did it. We made it to the end. Look at all the beautiful colors, how it's laying, the lighting, everything. I am so pleased with the final result. Yes, thank you, Lord. Yes. Yay, everybody. We have transferred all the fabric into the new room and it looks so beautiful. Y'all, we did it. The fabric is done. Everything is moved into a new place. The costume studio looks amazing and I am ready for summer. Woo! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.